Today I'm gonna make Dirty Martini. Dirty Martini is a cocktail made with gin, dry vermouth, and olive juice, garnished with an olive or lemon twist. To start with, some ice to chill the glass. When you're preparing Dirty Martini, you can use gin or vodka. But today I prepared to make Dirty Martini to use gin. $75 ml of gin. $25 ml dry vermouth, and this is the olive juice. You can put 3 or 1 spoon. It depends to you if you want some salty or more salty, but I prefer only 3. Now, we stir this thing for about 20 to 25 minutes. 20 to 25 seconds. For the garnish, and you have it, the Dirty Martini.